screen is yours, ma'am.
Thank you po so much, Ma'am Richel. Thank you, GMD June, for the opportunity for having me here. Of course, I will really never say no because ang dili mutando, dili madato. That is one thing I always believe in. You're laughing now, but that's true. Thank you to our win sharers. No, thank you, Ma'am LV. Thank you, Sir June. And yung sabi ni Sir Paulo talaga na wag kang mahiya kasi wala kang hiya. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for having me here this morning. And I'm very excited, and it's a great honor to be invited by no other than the millionaire tricycle driver June Igot. So, okay. Yes or yes? Are we
Yes.
happy? Are we blessed? Happy Easter. Good morning. The Lord is risen. And today we will honor him in helping people live better every day. So, to begin with, so my topic for this morning is the consistency code, unlocking daily success. So, this is the key to long term success. This is actually prepared by GMD
Recording in
Nera,
progress.
pero executed by IMD Naret. Okay, next slide. So, why does consistency matter? Why, out of everything, why is it that consistency is more important than intensity? Next slide, please. So why is it that consistency is more important than intensity? Because intensity, it gets attention. You know, the story of the hare and the turtle, the tortoise. The story of the hare and the tortoise, you know, everyone was cheering for the hare, rabbit, however you want to call it. Kasi it went on along the race fast, and then everyone was cheering for the rabbit. But then, consistency gets result. Napagod kasi sobrang intense, but who won in the end? It was the turtle. Kasi kahit, even if the turtle was slow, but the turtle was consistent of what they were doing, so they won the race because consistency gets result. So that's why it's always more important to be consistent rather than to be intense. So consistency beats occasional effort. It's not about doing something perfectly once. It's about doing well enough over and over again. Kasi when you so, can I have the entire slide, please? Kasi when we're doing something so often, when we're doing something by heart, of course, so that's something we have to remember. It has to be by heart. Ma'am Richelle, can I have the entire slide, please? Thank you so much. So, it's the secret to long term success. Consistency is the secret to long term success in every area of life. It may be fitness, business, relationships, personal growth. Kasi, take for instance, may sinusuyo tayo. We want to have a girlfriend, we want to have a boyfriend. Di ba sa una, we get excited, flowers, chocolates, hatid sundo. Pero once we get comfortable, for example, kasi nakuha na natin, sasabihin na lang natin, umuwi ka na lang by yourself, or sabihin na lang natin na, ay, ano, pang ilan na natin ito na anniversary, di mo na kailangan ng flowers. And then the love dies because there's no more consistency. Because we were so intense in the first place that we forget that even along the way, we still have to win our relationships. And just like in business, di ba, we have to remember why again did we try so hard to look for our 100,000, to look for our 60,000? Because we wanted this for a better future. Now that we're already in the system, now that we're already in the business, all of a sudden we get tired. We don't want to do it anymore. Why? We just have to go back to our why. Why from the very beginning, GMD June Igot umutang sa 50 people, 45 people to get his 100,000. It's because he knew from the very start of this business, he really wanted the brightest future for his family. Because intensity is emotional, but consistency is strategic. Anyone can go hard once. A very few can go steady every single day. That's why we have our pocket monitor. It's steady, it's consistent, and that's where we get our love for this business and the proper way to actually do this business. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, next slide, please. So, the real problem, why we struggle to stay consistent. So we start strong. Kasi nga, it's so intense. We start strong. But then life happens. But we have to remember, it's already been there. We always say na, when we started doing the business, nag 3 to 5 people tayo for 90 days. After that 90 days, how come wala na? Oh, because my children, I have to take care of them. Your children were there to begin with. Like, you have to tell na, kasi may labahin pa ako. Yung labhonon mo, andun yan siya since day one. All of a sudden, you start to make excuses. It has been there from the very beginning. When GMD Eva started the business, her children were already there. When GMD June started the business, his children were already there. When GMD Naira started the business, we were already there. Because nothing can stop you if you really want to do something. You just have to be consistent and be passionate. I have a very strong passion for the word passion. Because why? When you are passionate about something, it gives you love. It gives you the emotion to be able to do anything you want. No excuses, just hard work. Diba? Diba? Diyan. So motivation is unreliable. When we look at, we're on Facebook a lot. Yes, yes. So nakikita natin mga tao nag-workout, nakikita natin ang mga tao they're doing hobbies na gusto natin that we could want, but motivation is unreliable. It hindi we can't rely everything on motivation. Yung one of the biggest factor is us as distributors, as human beings. And of course, diba, the golden trio of the business is you, the business, and your sponsor. Because you are your biggest enemy. You yourself is your biggest best friend. You yourself will make and break your passion for this business. You know, kasi alam mo what's going on. You may not be transparent with your sponsor, with what your problem is, but you yourself, in your very deep heart, in your very deep emotion, you know why you're here. We all know why we're here. We have different whys. That's the thing, no? Every single person dito in this room, magkaiba tayo ng why. Maybe the one consistent thing is our family. Of course, Filipino as we are. Yung family talaga natin. Yes, so yes. So big efforts feel good, but they're not sustainable. It doesn't work that way. That's why we have to be consistent. One swing doesn't break the stone. Thousands do. That's why you can see, di ba, na it's not one swing of a hammer that nails the nail. It's consistent swinging of a hammer that nails the nail. And that's what we have to nail. We nail our dreams. Yes, yes. Now, next, shift. So what we're going to do is we have to shift our mindset. So consistency starts in the mind. Diba? We have this audacious plan. We have audacious plans for our family. We have audacious plans for ourselves. I remember talking to a friend. She just passed the bar exam. And then we talked about it, and then sabi ko, oh, like, what's your plan from here? Sabi niya, oh, I want to go to New York. I want to practice law there. I'll study there. But, that's just an audacious plan. And then I told her, you know what? Studying law was an audacious plan to begin with. Passing the bar was the audacious plan to begin with. You can say how audacious your plan is. You can say, ano yan, kanang suntok sa buwan. Yeah, sure. You can say it that way. But it all started with your mind, followed by your heart, knowing that you can do it. So it's not just what you do, it's who you believe you are. I think, so this is something very it's a big deal for me because this is something I've actually been doing recently. And funny enough, because you aspire to be who you want to be. So it's who you believe you are. In my head, in my mind, in my heart, I always tell myself, ako yung pinakamagaling mag-talk. I know that's how what you think, but I have to believe I am the best of what I do. And because I believe in it so much, look, ngayon, invite ako by an organization that's not even under GMD Nera's organization, not even GMD Eva's organization. And then on May, I'm invited in Negros because then again, it's an organization that's not mine, but because I aspired to be the best of who I want to be. I aspired to be what I want to be in this lifetime, in this earth. It's what I believe in. I believe that I am the best of what I can do. So dun, because I believe in it so much, the universe conspired. And look what I'm doing now. So grabe, dako kay kong pasalamat sa organization ni GMD Jones, organization ni GMD Carlets, na naagyod ko that I am here in this morning, kanang be able to do this in front of you. So, just a quick question. Please type one here in the comment box if you don't understand Bisaya, because maybe I'll put some Bisaya along the way, and it might. Oh, I see GMD Marivic Palman, IMD Joy. Okay, I'll do my best. I'll do my best. So, okay, going back. So focus on the process and not just the price, because it's the journey along the way. It's not the destination. That's why I really say no na 8 years in this business, I still learn every cut off. Like, oh, ganito pala. This is what happens. Oh, this is the system. Because it's a learning curve. It's a learning process. And that's what's best. Because nobody, not a single person in this room came into this business and naging GMD agad. Nobody. Why? Because we're all learning to become GMDs. Yes or yes? Yes. You fall in love with the routine. Then again, I'm not just talking about lifestyles. I'm talking about life. I'm talking about our habits. I'm talking about what we do. I'm talking about our personal lives. Because once we put our personal lives into lifestyles, we incorporate those things. We then begin to understand that lifestyles, it's not just a business. When we see this opportunity that answers all of our personal prayers, you will really come to terms that these two come together talaga. Both of them, lifestyles is both personal and professional. It comes together because it will really help us to achieve our personal and professional dreams. You fall in love with that routine. You get to know yourself, you get to know what you want, and then you get to do lifestyles business as something you do as a routine, because it's not just anymore STP. It's already, I'm here to help people. Because once we incorporate that, it's putting other people first, it's putting other people's needs first, and then that's when we get our wins, because this is the most win-win business you can find. You look for people to sponsor not because you are going to earn 14,000. That's only once. But you look for people to join the business to help them what they want, and then looking for people under that organization help get them what they want, and then eventually we get what we want. There's nothing more noble than helping people. That's why we are God's major disciple. Yun yung totoong GMD. God's major disciple. Yes, so yes. So replace all or nothing thinking with always something. So every single day, that's why we look for our 3 to 5 people STP. That's why we look for our one bottle a day. Because diba, it doesn't count as a profit halim. It doesn't count as a one bottle if it's not new, because it's always something. This is always the new person. And I remember GMD Nera always telling me, every bottle you push is a potential leader. You don't know talaga sino yung makausap mo every single day. GMD Marivic, for instance, ito, GMD Marivic, kinausap lang niya yung katabi niya sa Ocean Jet. And now she is IMD Karen Ladesa, helping IMD Karen with her health adversity. And then now she is an IMD. We just have to think, you don't see people as dollar signs. You don't see them as money. You see them as a person you can help, and your entire lifetime you will be repaid. So here are some mindset shift examples. So old thinking, I'll do it when I have the time. New thinking, I make time for what matters. Can I have the rest of the slide? Thank you so much, Ma'am Rachel. So old thinking, no, I'll do it when I have the time. We'll get there when we get there. But we just have to think, I make time for what matters. What matters ba talaga? Why are we here in this business? To make money? You know what? That's great. Of course, lifestyles does that. Lifestyles helps us make money. But lifestyles helps people live better every day. So we have to make time for what matters to help people. So another old thinking, I'm just not consistent. That's just not me. What when you thinking, I'm becoming more consistent daily. Do something small so it will always be something. Consistency lang. Hanap ka bagong tao, you create new content, you create new clients, you create new calls. And also, no, I need motivation. It's not just motivation. We can't rely on motivation. Motivation dies. That's why nga, di ba? Jumpstart is 24 to 48 hours from purchasing the product or from meeting the person. Because why we need a new list of people? We need the excitement because we need a system. That's why we have a perfect carpeted system. Thank you, GMB Eva, for that, by the way. We have a perfect carpeted system. Why? Because we have to follow something, and that makes us consistent. So yes. Okay, now 5 tools for consistency. Start small. Begin with tiny actions. Don't overcommit. Start with small strides. Baby steps. Bahala. Bahala hinay basta kanunay. Tayo na mag-translate niyan. Basta yun na yun. So, 'di ba? We're looking for 3 to 5 people every single day. We're not asking naman na April 21, are they qualified agad? What we're looking is 3 to 5 people because that will really grow. That will really grow into something. Plant talaga. That's very true. You plant. So just don't overcommit. Do what is proper, do what is right, and do it consistently. Next, make it a routine. Schedule your habit and stick to it daily. So, alam mo na, 3 to 5 people. So, start small. 3 ka every day. 3. Alam mo, you know what? 3 is getting easy. Let's do 4 people. 4 people a day. And then, honestly, it doesn't get better. You get better. It doesn't get easier. Life does not get easier. You become a better person. Instead of being a better person, you become a better person because you already understand the concept. You understand the business. Make it a habit, make a routine, and stick to it daily. Be consistent about it. Next, track your progress. Oh, this is where our pocket monitor starts na. So use a journal, an app, or a calendar to mark your daily progress. So alam mo na, sa pocket monitor natin, di ba? It's 6 boxes. So makikita mo like, look, from starting the business, I could only do 3. Second month mo into this business, all of a sudden you're doing 4 to 5 because di mo alam what you can do. You have no idea what you can do. You put your energy into it because money is energy. Money loves energy. And you put energy into it, money will come to you eventually. But you have to put energy into helping people. That's what I tell you, no? don't see them as dollar signs. Don't see them as money. Look at them as someone you can help in this lifetime. And then the universe will conspire into helping you get what you want. Now, next, remove barriers. Make your habit as easy as possible to do. Wag naman natin like all of a sudden, go big naman tayo. Kanang, let's do it one step at a time, day by day. And I remember GM Dinera saying, hanapin mo yung hanapin mo yung alam mo mag-no. Tapos na eh. That's done. The 9 no's is your 1 yes. And then 6 lang yung hinahanap natin. So, 6. I don't know if that's 6. 6 lang yung hinahanap natin. We're looking for 6 people. So, I remember GM Dinera saying, hanapin mo yung no. Kasi alam mo na no eh. Bonus na lang if mag-yes yan. Hanapin mo yung no, para tapos na. Wala na yan. Done na yan. Wala na yan sa isip mo. Pero sometimes we think of the no as people na, I know talaga to. Ma'am Rachel, pwede pa pa-mute ng lahat, please. Thank you po. Because this is a story of GMD Yovi. So si GMD Yovi, may prospect siya na sinasabihan niya si GMD Nera every time they pass by their house. Tita, alam mo tita, may kilala ako dyan, tita. Ayoko talaga siyang kausapin kasi ang maldita niya. Ayoko talaga, tita. Sabi, GMD Nera, hindi tayo gugulpihin kung pupuntahan natin siya. Ay, hindi naman, tita. Pero ayoko talaga, tita, kasi magno-no yan. Sige, if mag-no yan, kausapin natin para tapos na. You know who that person is? It's GMD Mila Rocamora. Grabe, no? Sa sobrang ayaw niya i-STP si GMD Mila. But you'll never know. You'll never know sino yan. That is... So you'll never know. You'll never know what that no will probably take you. Yun talaga sabi niya. Because service to humanity is the best business in this lifetime. You just have to think that you are God's major disciple. You're just here to help. Wag. I think the reason why I kept doing this business is because I never see it as I'll be rejected. This is the storytelling business. You tell people what Intra has done. I think that's why my favorite approach is the product approach. Di ba yung script natin sa product approach is there's a product that has benefited our family and I want it to help you as well. Di ba? If you're here to help, there's nothing wrong with helping. So we just back to basics muna tayo. Use it as a product to help people because we know it will really help them in this lifetime. So celebrate small wins, reward yourself for staying consistent. So, grabe no, sometimes, note ko lang to ha, celebrate small wins. Reward yourself for staying consistent. Wag naman every day. Just once a week lang naman yung rewarding yourself. Grabe, kaya tayo hindi nagiging millionaire kasi gusto natin magkape every single day. Yung iced coffee, relax lang tayo, te. Kaba lang yung ibibigay sa atin yan. Baka tayo na yung sunod kapihan. Wag na. Ano lang, relax na tayo. Kahit once a week. Like, oh my God, I did it for 7 days straight. 3 to 5 people a day. Yes. Diyan tayo mag-celebrate ng iced coffee natin. Aray, IMD Joy. Bakit? Okay. I'm having a really good time here. Thank you, GMD Jun, for the opportunity. Next. Systems over motivation. We build systems, not just hype. We're not. You know why those... Okay. So a few years ago, we bought a Mercedes-Benz, and then we bought another one. So we get to talk to people inside Mercedes-Benz, not just the showroom, like deep into the offices. And then they always say talaga na, and then yung sales manager, I invited to him, so one of the hope. I told him talaga, I'm not here to make money out of you. I'm here because I know your daughter needs a product. Umiyak siya, sabi niya, oh my God, alam mo, in other network marketing talaga, they go to the showroom, they bring tons of people because they purchase a car, because they're there for the hype. They're not really there because they're not in service to humanity. They just want to see people being able to buy these luxurious cars. But what for? What for? If you're not being a decent person, if you're not trying to help people, yung the money we make in this business, that's why it always goes back to church. That because of course nothing good in this world will kanang prosper if you do not go back to God or Allah, whatever our denomination is. Be a decent person. Because if you're just trying to flash your expensive cars, expensive watches, what for? We're here to help people. We have to remember, lifestyle slogan is help people live better every day. We help as many people as we can. We get richer the faster we get richer. Pero unahin talaga natin ang magtulong ng tao. Uy, galing ng Tagalog ko. So build systems and not just hype. So motivation comes and goes. It's temporary. It's emotion based. Could be inconsistent. Starts fast because yun na, it's very intense. It's reactive. Versus systems. Systems, they keep us consistent. It's sustainable. 3 to 5 people a day. That's very sustainable. Yes or yes. It's smart. It's specific. It's measurable. 3 to 5 people. It's action based. Alam mo that you are getting your 3 to 5 people because you have STP. That is the action. That is the OJT outside of this business. It's consistent. And of course, we stay ready because alam natin na what we're going to get out of this is every single day, 3 to 5 people. So we stay ready. We are proactive. Alam na natin, like, done with 3 to 5 people today, tomorrow 3 to 5 people again. It becomes a habit and it becomes consistent. So, an example, our goal is write a book. Yung goal natin is to write a book. So with motivation, I'll write when I feel like it. Kailan pa matatapos yung libro mo? Di ba? But if we shift to a different mindset, thinking na, I'll write 500 words every morning. I'll write 500 words every morning, and then my job is done. Because that's the same with 3 to 5 people. Yung trabaho ko is done when I'm done sharing. Our goal here is not to sell the intra, it's to share the intra. Back to basic muna. Share muna the product. Share muna what you can help people do with the product. Yes, yes. So, in lifestyle terms, our goal is to become GMD. Pero, so GMD, that's 9 instant directs in one leg. So 9 times 6, di ba? So 9 times 6. Of course, hindi naman natin kaya mag-close ng 72? 9 times 6 instant directs in one day. But starting this business, of course, 3 to 5 people every single day. Ani yan. It will really, you will sow what you reap. You just have to keep planting. Okay, next. Build habits, not hype. Habits create freedom. Next slide, please. Habits create freedom. Hype fades. Habits last. That's why yung 90-day habit natin, yung Monday habit natin, yung 90-day program natin, that's why it's consistent. That's why pang ilang batches na ito. It's because it's a habit and it's pang forever. So don't rely on excitement. Build routines that run on autopilot. You have to think, alam mo na bukas mag-STP na naman ako. bukas magko-close na naman ako. I remember GMD Nera talaga during sa kasagsag 54. Thank you ED Twings. ED 54 instant direct yung kailangan para maging GMD. Thank you. So, I remember GMD Nera sa kasagsagan ng pandemic. My sister Nikki and I, we really told her, "Ma, stop going out. Just stop going out. May Zoom. We can do it through Zoom." Ayaw talaga niya. Ayaw niya talaga. Lalabas at lalabas talaga siya. Yun, nagkasakit. Because it's her habit. Hindi na mawala sa system niya. I'm sure GMD June has his habits na hindi mawala sa system niya na lalagnatin at lalagnatin talaga pag hindi makapag-STP. Sana kayo din. So, habits make success automatic. Like brushing your teeth. You don't think about it. You just do it. Because sorry, can I have the whole slide, please? So it's like brushing your teeth. Um, when you brush your teeth, you know it's good for your teeth. You know it's for the long run. When you do STP, you know it's it's for the betterment of your future. You know how far this will take you. Because if we know na we just want to help, we just have to help people in every aspect of their life. Monetarily, financially, health, physical health, mental health. It will all just follow. If we just go back to thinking na, if we just do it consistently, habitually, alam talaga natin na dito talaga yung it will answer our prayers in the long run. Because small actions it will really take us to big results. Okay, so I remembered a friend of mine, probably like 8 years ago. I wasn't even full time in lifestyles yet, but of course now being in the business for the past 23 years, I spoke to a friend, and then sabi ko sa kanya, you know what? There's this, so what we do, this is our business. And then sabi niya, oh, it's not really for me. But I told her na, oh, my dad supposed to be ma-bypass. Of course, hindi siya na-bypass. Yung mom ko nagka-alopecia, no steroids, ito lang talaga, walang medicines. She didn't take anything talaga. And then she was like, yeah, it's not really for me. But of course, you don't feel bad because you're not selling the Intra. I wasn't selling Intra. I just told my friend what the product is, what the business does. Sabi ko, like ito talaga yung this is what sent us to school. It's what's sending all my cousins to school. And then 8 years after that, no, probably like 6 years after that, she messaged me. Sabi niya, um, yung mom ko, parang may tumor. Can I buy Intra? Sabi ko, see, you just have to slowly incorporate it in your life. Just keep sowing. It will reap eventually. Tanim, tanim, tanim lang talaga tayo. Because as long as you don't see this as something na, magkakapera ako, it will really help you for a lifetime. And just go back to God. Go back to God for it talaga. So focus on identity, not just activity. Okay. Sorry, can I have the entire slide, please? There's more to it. Just going back lang. So, small action, big results. So, one post a day, like what I said, no, magpo-post ka, lifestyle spinas, post ka, sold, 2 bottles today, new user. And then, alam mo, like, oh my God, I can do this pala. You do it more and more. You look for people. You call one person every single day, 3 to 5 people a day. You call them. Eventually, it will grow because, di ba, we see kasi in the bigger picture. It's the 2 bottles every single day times 365. Di ba? We have to see the bigger picture on what this actually does. The number of people we are able to help in this business. So it's one book a year, one book in a year if some of us are trying to we want to read more books here. uh, don't do- don't wait till you get the time. You have to make time for it talaga. So focus on identity, not just activity. Don't just work out. Mag-gym ako. You're not the person who na mag-gym lang. You're a person who works out talaga. You're a person, you make it your identity. You make it your personality. And other things, don't just save money. Be someone who saves. Because it will be a betterment for your future. You'll never know. Never know in the near future. Dapat liquid tayo. Dapat we have money for emergency purposes. We have rainy day money. That's what we call it. Money for a rainy day. So dapat you have to be it's an identity. You're not the person who does this. You are that person. You are the person that helps people live better every day. You don't see this as something na makakapera ako. No. You have to think of it as makakatulong ako if I help many, 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 many people, it will really save me for the rest of my life. Okay, next. So the compounding effect. Consistency looks slow until it explodes. Next slide, please. At first, your efforts might feel like they're not making a difference, but over time, consistent action builds momentum and results start stacking. That's why it's so important that we have our pocket monitor. That's why it's very important to have our pocket monitor. It's because we start to understand, oh my God, 3 to 5 people a day. So 3 times 3, 30 days. That's 90 people. 90 times 3, that's 270 people in 3 months. Can you imagine the number of people you have helped in 270 different people you have helped because you were consistent? And and 'di ba, ang hinahanap natin for the 1.5 million is 1,866. Pang ilang batch na ito sa 90-day program natin. Just be consistent about it and it will really explode. So that the compounding effect is your daily choices plus time. Here in Lifestyles, the real um puhunan here in Lifestyles, it's not the 100,000. It's not the 60,000. It's not even the I4R or the cumulative. You know what the real puhunan here is? It's your 2,000 pesos. Your 2,000 pesos opens 30 different country business opportunities. Dalhin mo yung 2,000 pesos mo sa City Hall nyo. Kahit business permit, kahit mayor's permit, hindi yan maka-open. But here, sa totoo lang, it's your 2,000 pesos talaga that helps you become a multimillionaire. It's your decision to say yes. It's your daily choices because the choices you make today is your tomorrow. And the time talaga is now. If hindi ngayon, kailan? If it's not you who will help your family out of debt, out of poverty, who will? And if it's not Lifestyles, then what? What? You look for any other opportunity out there. Nothing beats Lifestyles. I tell you that. And we have to have paninindigan. I remember GMD June. It's a story by GMD June. Sabi niya, I have been offered so many times. Sinasabi nila, oh, they will make my, if this is the check I make today, they will make it times 2 every single month. But sabi talaga ni GMD June, no way. No way. May paninindigan ako. If you saw me as a tricycle driver years ago, would you have come to me? Of course not. Only Lifestyles will do that. We do not pre-qualify. That's why I always say, do not pre-qualify because si Noe, correct GMD Jono, si Noe, if he pre-qualified, sabi niya, ay, tricycle driver si Jun Igot, wag na. Do you think we have one of the greatest leaders of this business? I don't think so. Because Noe really said, alam ko, makakatulong to kay June. Because Noe really put into his mind, tutulong to kay June. It will really help other people. We just have to think that Lifestyle's mission is to help people live better. Simply live our mission. Nothing more, nothing less. Ha- just do the mission of helping people. And nothing can go wrong into helping people. So, the compounding effect, no, 10 push-ups a day, that's 3,650 a year. One sales call a day, that's 365 a year. 10 pages a day for that book, that's statistically, that's 12 books a year. Tiny actions that don't feel like much until they add up. Until we put two and two together along the way, it will really give us our dreams, our dream life, our dream cars, our dream house. But we have to start by helping people. Next, get accountability. Consistency thrives in community. That's why we have groups. That's why we have pages, di ba? Lifestyle Pinas, Asset Builders, Good Morning World. It could be anything. It could be anything. So here are types of accountabilities. You have an accountability partner. Check in with a friend or teammate regularly. So, kausapin mo yung core sponsor mo. Yung core, okay ha? Let me just reiterate this. Core sponsor. Core sponsor is someone na hindi mag-a-absent ng RLT. Kahit na whatever comes their way, pupunta at pupunta talaga ng RLT. Tingnan mo si GMD Russell. Her brother died. Her brother died and she still went to RLT because nothing can stop her. Wala na siyang magawa. But at least help the family along the way. Di ba? So you have to have an accountability partner. Check in with a friend. So it has to be a core sponsor. Core sponsor talaga. Sasabihin mo, apply. April 21. If DD ka ngayon, I will become RD upline. So you check in with your core sponsor all the time. So that's why now we have a group or community. So join others on the same path. Post ka, yes. New STP, sold two bottles to new prospect. Ganon. Share mo yan. You share it to the world, you share it. Because, of course, no, ang tao may inspire talaga. Kung kaya niya, kaya ko din. Especially those, yung malaki yung pagtingin niya sa sarili nila na kung kaya nila, mas kaya ko. O di ba? Nahahagit sila. I don't know how to say that in Tagalog or English. But alam mo na, ma-inspire sila extra. Okay. So, coach or mentor. So this is going back to the accountability partner. Someone who pushes you and guides you. Kasi diba, tatlo yung dream team natin in this business. It's the company, it's the sponsor, and you. You, your biggest best friend, and your biggest enemy. Yung sponsor mo, yung coach mo, yung mentor mo, they're there to inspire you, to tell you along the way what to do if you get lost. But the rest is really up to you. So, sabihin mo, apply. Mag-ED6QLPL ako para along the way, sama-sama kayo. You check in with them every single day. Sabihin mo, apply. Ito yung na-cover ko, apply. Ay, apply, yung kabilang leg, apply, patulong naman. You work on it together. Hand by hand, heart by heart, work on it together. Because the number of people we speak is exactly the number of people we help in this business is an exact correlation of the money you have in your pocket. Ganyan talaga yan. You have to think talaga, I have to help as many people as I can. Because if they get what they want, eventually I get what I want. But we have to help them first. Yeah, public commitment. Di ba during the MBA, towards the end, my commitment tayo. So you say it out loud because one of the reasons you say it out loud is number one, the stakes are high. because you already said it. You already said na mag-RD ako, mag-ED ako, mag-ED 6QLPL ako, NMD ako, IMD ako, GMD ako. The moment you say that out loud, not only did people hear you, but also the universe will conspire. The universe will conspire to get you, to help you get what you want. The moment you say in isa kaloob-looban mo na NMD ako. I remembered NMD back in the day ED6QL ED6QLPL Barbara Margaret Pasaol. I asked her, ano mag-NMD ka na? Sabi niya, oo. Is it in your heart? Sabi niya, oo. That exact same time, that exact same month, her dog died. Kaming dalawa umiyak. As in, yung iyak namin, sabi ko talaga, tita, believe ako sa'yo na kaya mo. Honestly, if this is what you're doing right now, honestly, I don't know saan ako pupulutin if that happens to me. But she finished her run, she finished strong. She finished strong. And it wasn't even just an NMD. It was it was more than 6 legs of becoming an NMD because not only did she tell it to the public na magiging NMD siya, alam niya because her herself is her best friend and her enemy. Alam niya magiging GMD ako because I instilled it in my heart. I nailed it in my heart that I am an NMD. So grabe no, iba tayo. We go through different things. We have different journeys in life. But one thing is consistent. We all want to have one thing, and it is our GMD run. Eh, You know, magkaiba tayo ng stories. And what's so beautiful about this business is because that's why I know when we go to Hope, when we go to RLT, we hear different stories. And also, by the way, just a heads up. Ito talaga. Please, 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 go to RLT. Yung mga yung mga core sponsors dyan, tanungin nyo, bakit hindi nyo kaya mag-RLT? Kasi mahal yung pamasahe, mahal. Noon pa yan. Noon pa yan mahal. Um, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this story, but so this is a story of GMD Nera and GMD Eva when they started to do the business, and then they would really go to RLT. They really said, kasi there is no other way to get inspired but if you go to RLT. Sinasabi niya talaga, it's expensive because yung pangarap natin is expensive. Alam ko, you're not only dreaming to eat 3 times a day. Alam ko yung bahay nyo na dinidream nyo, million-million yan. Ganyan talaga yan. You don't expect to, um, you don't, let's say you go to the casino. You don't expect to go there with 20 pesos and you end up with 1 million. It doesn't work that way. Kung makakahanap kayo ng ganyan, scam yan. Alam niyo na. Anyway, this is a story by GMD Nera and GMD Eva. Sabi nila, ako talaga yung nagbubok sa kanila. So, yung routine nila is that 3 a.m. flight going to Manila, and then it's a 7 or 9 p.m., whichever ang mas barato, whichever is cheaper. So, ganyan yan. Every single RLT. So, andun sila maaga pa. Sinasabi niya talaga. Sinasabi ni GM Dinera, you know what? Kasi walang iba. There was no Air Asia, Air Swift, Cebu Pacific. Wala yan lahat. Palang talaga meron. So, sabi niya na, alam mo, when we get here, kasi it's a 3 a.m. flight, 5 a.m. sila dadating, 8 a.m. pa doon sa Alyo, aga-aga, it's still dark outside. Sinasabi niya talaga na, magdadala kami ng malong, hihiga kami sa sahig. Oh my God, ma, I can't imagine you doing that. Sabi niya, oh, kasi ang mahal-mahal ng mga tuition nyo. Yun lang talaga sila sabi niya because yung pangarap ko lang talaga is good school. Yung school na alam ko na maganda. So her sacrifices not only um was able to get me to school. Nakapagtapos yung sister ko ng medicine, I studied school abroad. I studied in Enderon College. My cousins are being paid, my cousins' tuition are paid by GMD Nera. And also, kahit yaya namin, pinapaaral na niya, sabi ko, grabe, go big or go home talaga yung kay GMD Nera na ginagawa. Pero yun talaga, kasi malaki yung mga pangarap natin. Kasi mahal talaga, mahal pumunta doon kasi mahal yung dream car, mahal yung bahay, mahal sumakay ng business class. Malaki yung ibinibigay natin sa simbahan. Pero yun talaga. And also, mahal natin yung pamilya natin. Dapat mahal talaga yung lahat ng investment natin. Next, grabe, may emotional talaga ako. That's why I love doing this. Because I get to tell stories that GMD Nera doesn't tell because she's not a storyteller. Kaya sinasabi niya sa akin, kaya ko kayo pinapaaral sa mahal na eskwelahan para kayo nagagawa nito. See? Oh, galing na Tagalog. So purpose fuels consistency. Consistency is easier when you have a strong why. 'Di ba? Sa NDSO natin, balik nga kayo sa why nyo. Bakit? Why did you try so hard to look for your 100,000? Why did you try so hard to look for your 60,000? It's because of your why. And your purpose gives you direction. You go there, you do it, and you understand, oh my God, kaya pala ako, I wake up at 3 a.m. para maghanap na ng mga tao to STP. It's because the purpose of my business is to help people and help those people get what they want so that I can send my children to the best school. Of course, no, if consistent lang yung RLT natin, and our dreams talaga will fire up to help. And of course, the action dun is consistent yung STP. So, kaya tayo nag-STP, kaya tayo nag-RLT, kaya tayo pumupunta tayo na National Gala, it's because of our why. Sa totoo lang. It's the why. Because your purpose drives you through challenges. Yung story ni GMD June na kanang tinutukan ng baril, he tried to remember the reason na umuwi ako na maaga kasi yung anak ko may hika na sa hospital. Your purpose drives your challenges. You just have to remember, why am I doing this again? Magkaiba tayo ng why, all of us. We have different reasons why we are here. You just have to know in your heart, is it really what you want for the rest of your life? Let's just say you don't want to do lifestyles. Kahit 3 to 5 years from now, 5 to 10 years from now, if you're still doing what you're currently doing, is it gonna answer your life's dream? Biggest dream. Your biggest dream talaga. Yun talaga. Kasi kahit ano pa yung trabaho nyo ngayon, tapos dagdagan nyo yan ng next, you retire at 60, kahit 70 ka pa mag-retire, it will really not answer our dreams. Not the eat 3 to 5 times a day, ha? It's if we can send our children to the best school. My sister and I, we always talk about, like if we have children, I'll take them to this school, I'll take them to this school. Yung pinag-uusapan talaga namin, I really want to take them to Cebu International School. I really want to take them to Singapore School Cebu. Yung mga ganun, there's nothing wrong with mababang paaralan. There's nothing wrong with kinatawag kasi nila ng low school. There's nothing wrong with it. But there are better and bigger opportunities if you send them to schools where there are children of people with the best opportunities. You know, Nikki. So my sister Nikki, nag-attend siya ng isang it's a seminar. Nag-attend siya ng seminar. It's for teenagers. Yung mga kasama niya doon, yung pinag-uusapan, hindi talaga, kailan tayo magagala sa, let's say, Tagaytay, yung pinag-uusapan, when are we going to Singapore? When are we gonna go for a trip? Yung mga kasama niya doon, mga apo ni Henry C., yung mga, because we have to give our children opportunities that are different from the rest of the 98%. We have to give our children the opportunities of the 2% of the population. So, and I tell you, lifestyles talaga will give those opportunity. Your purpose drives you through challenges. Kahit ano pa yan, mabaha, ma, ma, um, earthquake, kahit ano pa yan, you alone will take the biggest profit. You become courageous, patient, humble, self-reliant, resilient. Ikaw yun. Ikaw yun. Kahit ano pa yan, ikaw yun. Basta alam mo ano yung why mo. Now, next, bounce back, don't quit. Because setbacks are normal. It happens. Ganun talaga yan. May mangyayari at may mangyayari. And funny enough, it happens when you're doing your run. Diba? NMD Bamba. NMD Bamba, her dog passed during her run. May kilala ako, I, NMD run niya, namatay tatay niya. IMD run niya, namatay father-in-law niya. Pero, grabe, resilient siya. Kaya ko to, kaya ko to. Kaya ko to, whatever it takes. Because everyone faces challenges. What matters is how you respond. Tayo lahat dadaan at dadaan ng, oh, this is gonna be difficult. But, it's how you react to it. I always say na, growing up, I didn't, as sheltered as this may sound, because that's what lifestyles did for my family. Lifestyle sheltered our family to have the best of the best. I didn't go through things that are difficult. I keep telling myself like, oh, the most difficult thing I ever had to do in my life was get a driver's license. Ganun. It's because my mom paved a way for us to have the best life. Sabi ko na, oh, the most difficult thing I ever had to do in my life was take the college entrance exam. Ganun. Ang babaw. Pero because sheltered kami dahil my mom made sure na if she does lifestyles wholeheartedly, best opportunities na talaga. So you know the most difficult thing I ever had to do in my life? Honestly, it was the NMD run. Yun talaga. Sabi ko, oh my God, ano ba pinaglalaban ko? Wala man akong anak. Pero I have this consistent need to please my mom. So sabi ko, I can do this. Kahit ano, kaya ko. Ayoko lang malatigo ng nanay ko. Because mistakes aren't failures unless you quit. That's the only time it will become a failure. You didn't get what you want. The only time it becomes a failure is when you stop. If you stop doing it, like, I can't do it anymore. That's the only time it becomes a failure. But if you consistently do it, if you are resilient about it, you can do anything, no matter what the setback. Because in every adversity, there is an equal opportunity. So focus on progress, not perfection. Learn from your mistakes. It's okay. We make mistakes. It happens. Life happens. Learn from it. Keep moving forward. Each small recovery builds strength. Each recovery builds strength. Ganyan talaga yan. That's why I keep saying na, every single cut-off, I learned something new. 8 years into this business, but okay, this is how it works. This is a learning process. It's a learning curve. And that's what's nice because we're all learning to do the business together. So, because all the wisdom you want, it's in the field. Ito talaga. I remembered my STP ako. Yung STP ko, sabi ko, so, Cardio Life, it transfers the calcium from your blood to your bones. Tinanong ako, bakit? Sabi, and then hindi ko alam yung sagot. Siyempre, kahit tanungin niyo si GMD John, ano yung 23 herbs, hindi niya masagot yan. Nobody knows that. Except Girly D of Cebu. Anyway, so sabi niya, bakit? Why does Cardio Life do that? Sabi ko, oh my God, hindi ako prepared. So, the moment natapos yung STP, tinawagan ko yung cousin ko na nurse. Sabi ko, uy, bakit yung Cardio Life ganito? Sabi niya, oh, ate, because. So, that's for another time. So, di ba, it doesn't get easier. You just get better. You get better in time. You get better in the field because that's where the wisdom is. I tell you, it's not in front of your computer. It's not here on Zoom. It's out there in the field. Yun talaga. Hi, okay. Next. Uh, so now it's your turn. Take action. Consistency is about starting today. Like what I said, no, it's not the 100,000, it's not the 60,000. Yung tanong sa lahat ng sagot mo, yung answer sa lahat ng prayers mo, it's really in your time to say, the moment you say yes in this business. So, next slide, please. 2 slides after this.
Ka lang nasa
So, now it's your turn. Take action. Next slide, please. So, choose one area where you want to apply consistency. Okay. So, consistency is about starting today. So, how to get started? Choose one area where you want to apply your consistency. So, piliin mo. Of course, no, lifestyle talaga. But andito pa naman tayo. So, lifestyle. So, alam mo, you know what you want. So, in everything I said, honestly, what you really have to hold on to, it's really your pocket monitor. Can you pa-mute, please? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So, the one thing you hold on to, no, honestly, into this business, it's really your pocket monitor. Kasi, even during counseling, pag nawawala kayo, pag you're like, I don't know what I'm doing anymore, you go to your sponsor, you show kasi your pocket monitor, and then dun nila like, you're saying na you feel like you're going nowhere kasi wala ka namang activity. So hold on to your pocket monitor. Our daily goal, no? Our daily goal is the 3 to 5 people a day, or the 1 to 4 bottle a day, or the 1 BTK a day. Ikaw yung nakakaalam ano yung goal mo. You commit publicly, tell your friend, tell your sponsor, talk to your sponsor. Again ha, reiterate ko lang, core sponsor. Yung sponsor na nasa RLT every single month. Okay. So, you talk to them, sabihin mo, I commit to become ED6QLPL, ED, sabihin mo. And then you track your progress using your pocket monitor. And celebrate each win. Like what I said, di ba, IMD Joy, once a week lang. Hindi pa yung everyday na iced coffee. So, yun. Next. So, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So this is by Mark Twain, one of the best authors that ever lived in this lifetime. So, thank you. Daghang salamat. Thank you so much, Jimmy June, to everyone in this team, Jimmy Carlets, NMD Wendell. Thank you to everyone who is out here listening. So, the reason I keep going talaga no is because I fear poverty more than I fear I fear poverty more than I fear rejection talaga. Yun talaga. Sa totoo lang, bahala na, reject ka lang dyan, okay lang. I'm not selling you anything. I'm telling you what a beautiful product I have. And it up to you. So, okay. Maybe my story will be from another time. Thank you so much for the opportunity. So, yun, if if it's not you who will help your family achieve the best of what they want, who will do it? If you're not going to do it now, right this very moment, when will you do it? And if lifestyles is not the opportunity, what on earth could it be? So, Thank you so much. I hope I have touched a piece of your heart. And with that, thank you and good morning.
So thank you so much, Ma'am Naret. I am Dean Naret. So what an incredible session. So let's all give a big virtual round of applause to our amazing speaker.